Today I'll be showing you how to use the wallet finder on Buy Bitcoin Worldwide. So let's get started. Just enter your wallet preferences and we'll show you the best wallet for your needs. What is your main use for a wallet going to be? Secure storage or daily spending? For an example, I'll click frequent transactions. Then click in the corner the blue or red or green button. It's storing many different types of cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Ether, or RECTO tokens important to you? So for now, I'll just click no, just for Bitcoin. Which operating system do you plan to use? iOS, Android, or desktop? So I'm going to click desktop for an example. Then click submit. So that's it for today. You could see only one wallet that works with you, and that's called, this is the one I did. So the site is called Electrum. It is a wallet, is an easy to use desktop wallet for Mac, Windows, and Linux. It's easiest and fast to set up, so you can start sending and receiving Bitcoins right away. So we're going to clean the video right here. Go to the Where's Concept site to find more information. In the description, it will be this link.